Alright guys, this is the moment that you have all been waiting for. The B-roll finals are finally here. We have two amazing creators involved. From bracket 1 we have Naturebound, and from bracket 2 we have Happy Trails Hiking. And I am really excited to get this show on the road, so let's roll them bumps. Naturebound. Happy Trails Hiking. Unbelievable. Amazing. I know you're thinking the same thing. How do I choose? How do I choose from one of these amazing content creators? Awesome job, guys. Thank you so much. We're going to do the voting for the finals a little differently than in the prelim round. You are going to be able to vote right at the end of this video. That's right here on YouTube. The polls will be open until 9 a.m. on Sunday morning, and the winner will be announced on my Sunday night show at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be fantastic. I cannot wait to see who the winner is. May the best person win. Awesome competition, guys. Super fantastic. Go ahead and vote right now. Right now, guys. You got to vote right now. Don't forget to vote right now. One of these two people. I mean, if you need to see the video again, go ahead and rewatch it. But then at the end of the video, you got to vote, like right now. Have a great day. Find your adventure. And I will see you in an hour for the live show. Good luck to everyone.